Good evening. Welcome to the 2003 Vogel Christmas program. We've got a lot of people who have not been here before since they have kindergartners maybe for the first time, so I'd like to go through and just do some brief explanations of how we do the programs. First of all, Pup Productions is here once again. Pup Productions will film the entire program. They have these pink forms available out on the table. So if you're interested in getting a video, they have them available to you. Just stop on the way out the door. As a matter of fact, by the time the program's over, they'll already be showing the program on the TV out there. Anyone in here who would like to take pictures, you're welcome to do so, but I ask that you avoid the camera over here, the camera right here, and the one up front. Also, if anyone needs to leave the gym for a restroom or whatever, the back door will be open. If you will make your way to the back door, you can come up the sidewalk and in the side door and go on down to the restroom or whatever you need to do. The boys and girls are all in the finale, so everyone is good to go through the entire program. The program will last about 45 minutes to an hour. If you have any questions or anything afterwards, the students, the kindergarten students, will be going back to their classrooms. So they're to be picked up back in the classroom, and that way we know that they got with who they were supposed to get with. The choir will go back over to Miss Fillingham's room. Is there anything else? I think that's all the introductions. At this time, I would like to introduce Mrs. Mary Fillingham, our vocal music teacher.
Thank you, and welcome to the program. And I'm very excited this evening. We are ready to begin. And if Mrs. Vogt will open the curtain, we are going to present our Vogel kindergarten classes in their premiere performance at Vogel under the direction of Mrs. Phyllis Stieber and Mrs. Sharon Levin, the Vogel kindergartners.
Cupid, Connor, Bliss.
Ladies and gentlemen, your Vogel kindergarten classes, Mrs. Steber and Mrs. Levin. There'll be just a brief break while we get the choir on stage and the kindergartners off. I want to take this opportunity to thank you for coming, and the choir parents, I want to thank you for all the morning rehearsals that you've brought your children to, and I hope the rehearsals have paid off and you enjoyed this evening's performance. We have a lot of teachers here helping this evening, and kindergarten parents, these are the kind of teachers you're going to be working with in future years at Vogel. Teachers whose names aren't in the program because I didn't know they were coming until they told me, oh yeah, I want to come tonight and see the kids and I want to help and whatever you need. And that's what we've got here at Vogel, a faculty and staff that will come no matter what and when to see your children and be with you in their programs. So give us a few minutes here and we'll be right back with the choir.
Also, I noticed several of you trying to stand up and wave at people. Trust me, when you're in front of these lights, you can't see past the front row. So if they didn't wave back, don't be upset with them. I also ask that if you will not holler out, etc., because as I said, the children can't see you anyway with these lights shining. Thank you very much.
Kindergartners, you are awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give the kindergarten classes and their teachers another round of applause. Thank you so much for being a part of the program this evening. Well, as many of you already know, the choir has been working on a skit with crazy carols. But first, we would like to let you enjoy some traditional songs of the holiday.
Edgar Allan Poe wrote The Bells, an attempt to capture the motion and sound of various kinds of bells through the use of rhythm, automatopoeia, repetition, and careful choice of words.
Hear the sleighs with the bells. Silver bells. What a world of merriment their melody foretells.
How they tinkle, tinkle, tinkle in the icy air of night, while all the stars that oversprinkle all the heavens seem to twinkle with the crystalline delight. Keeping time, 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 in a sort of runic rhyme, to the tintinnabulation that so musically wells. From the bells, 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 bells.
From the jingling and the tingling of the bells.
One of the joys of the holiday season is the sound of bells. From sleigh bells to church bells, their music is heard. Many words can describe the tone, color of bells. Silver can mean a soft, resonant sound. Our next song, Silver Bells, was made popular when it was sung in a movie, The Lemon Drop Kid, 1951, starring Bob Hope.
City sidewalks, busy sidewalks, dressed in holiday style. In the air there's a feeling of Christmas. Children laughing, people passing, meeting smile after smile. And on every street corner you hear silver bells, silver bells, silver bells, silver bells. It's Christmas time in the city. Ring-a-ling, ring-a-ling, hear them ring, hear them ring. Soon it will be Christmas Day. Trees are street lights, even stoplights, blink of bright red and green as the shoppers rush home with their treasures. Hear the snow crunch, see the kids bunch. This is Santa's big scene, and above all this bustle you hear silver bells, silver bells, silver bells, silver bells. It's Christmas time in the city. Ring-a-ling, ring-a-ling, hear them ring, soon it will be Christmas Day.
Snow. As though pretending to be blooms, the snowflakes scatter in the winter sky. The beauty of winter can be enchanting despite the harsh effects of a cold climate. Imagine the winter scene described in our next song, Winter Wonderland.
Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? usually think of Jingle Bells as a Christmas song, but James Pierpoint actually wrote it in 1857 for a Thanksgiving program for a large Boston church he attended. No matter when it is sung, Jingle Bells captures the spirit of winter fun. Please listen as we partner winter fantasy with the kindergartners' Jingle Bells.
Snowflakes falling all over town, slipping, sliding, everybody rushing around. There's an icy chill in the air, telling us that winter's really here. Oh, I'm so glad that winter is here. Grab your sled and let out happy cheer, because it's snowing, blowing all through the day. Winter winds will surely blow all your cares away. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we gliding, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride and let our happy cheer, because it's jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one-horse open sleigh. Hey!
Okay, enough of traditional. Let's have some crazy fun. And now we hope you enjoy our clever new way to celebrate the holidays. We have 7 well-known holiday songs with new lyrics that describe our school days before vacation. So listen closely to Crazy Carols.
For people living in warm climes, winter doesn't mean much.
But for those living in cold climes, snow adds the magic touch.
The true sign of winter, when trees are painted white.
And crystal bits of ice and snow make a wondrous sight.
Students, yes, and teachers too, are ready for that day.
They wait and wait for snow to fall and hope it is today. In
Winter break is coming soon, but not soon enough.
For nearly every teacher thinks these last days should be tough.
In almost every single class, we've got a final test. So we must study every night, forget the beauty rest.
It seems a shame now, don't you think? 'Cause teachers on vacations
have to spend their precious days checking our notations. They test you, merry gentlemen and maids, upon this day to see what you have learned before it's time to go away. In math and science, English too, the teachers always say, no vacation until the final day. The very last day, we will work right up until the final day. I guess they need to see if we have learned what they have taught. But all I've learned today is what it means to be distraught. With final tests in every class, I'm truly overwrought. No vacation until the final day. The very last day, we will work right up until the final day.
Let's say a snow is threatening upon this winter morn,
And students all are in their seats, looking quite forlorn. What happens next upon this day when flakes come rushing down and parents start to call the school from all over town?
who decides a student's fate? Who gets to make the call?
Will schools stay open or close down, affecting one and all? Our good principal looked out. His first name is Thomas. See, the snow is falling down, deep and crisp upon us. Maybe he will send us home if
Hooray! The time has finally come for us to take our break.
I've marked the days off carefully, so there is no mistake. Can't wait for it to happen, such long and lazy days.
I may go to the movies or learn a polonaise.
I get to visit Mickey Mouse.
I'm going to Key West.
I may just sleep for 2 whole weeks. Right now, that sounds the best.
No matter how you spend your days, alone or with Mom and Pa.
We hope that you will sing along on the fa la la. Clean the halls and wash the blackboard. Fa la 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 la. We'll be gone and won't look backward. Fa la 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 la. Lock the door so no one peeks. Fa la 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 la. We'll be gone for 2 whole weeks. Fa la 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 la. See the long day stretch before us. La 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 la. No more mystery, gym or chorus. La 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 la. Winter break is so much fun. La 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 la. Lazy days for everyone. La 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 la. La 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 la.
A busy time the season is with family around the house. And usually I'm sad to say I'm in the old doghouse. A dozen smooches from my aunts and silly presents too.
And almost every year, seeing my sister gets the flu.
Mom loves to spend entire days cooking giant dinners.
And even though I can't sit still, each one of them's a winner. Still, still, still. Why can't you just sit still? That's what my mother said during dinner, or else she said you'll be getting thinner. Still, still, still. Why can't you just sit still? Sleep, sleep, sleep. How can I even think of sleep when Santa is headed in this direction and my whole year is up for inspection? Sleep, sleep, sleep. How can I even think of sleep?
The season's rush surrounds us now, and still my list goes on.
I always seem to wait until the shopping time is gone.
Malls are crazy. Parking's full with shoppers everywhere.
I really must get started before I haven't time to spare.
Of course, the smartest thing to do, and this route never fails.
Is wait until the 26th when everything's on sale. Joy to the world, my shopping
Now that time is drawing near, we are waiting for the night.
When Santa and his 8 reindeer make their famous flight.
We know that Santa's really cool riding in that sleigh.
I've heard his CD player. It's turned up all the way.
Yes, Santa's hip in many ways, a jolly sort of chap.
Just listen to his newest sound, this really funky rap.
Ladies and gentlemen, your 4th and 5th grade choir and crazy carols. Your speakers and narrators. Your bell players. The 4th and 5th grade choir.
Well, now you've heard traditional and you've heard crazy too. We hope that you will agree to jingle jive as we swing and try to be cool. We do have some friends to help us, so please listen and let's have a pause. Ladies and gentlemen, give a warm Vogel welcome to Groovin' Santa and Mrs. Claus.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on
thank the kindergarten classes again for being part of Vogel Holiday Program tonight. Parents, friends, and teachers, thank you for coming to hear all of our holiday songs. We have worked very hard and hope you enjoyed yourself this evening and leave here feeling in the holiday spirit. It means a lot to us to have you here, and in case we don't say it enough,
Thank you.
for everything you do. And now Vogel's traditional holiday finale, Shout.
Join the celebration, join in all the fun, share the jubilation. Christmas has begun. When we reach to each other, Christmas comes alive. Look around, you will see it. The spirit will arrive, and you can shout. It's the time of the year. Christmas is coming, it's just about here. So shout! It's the time of the year. Christmas is coming, it's just about here.
Thank you once again for coming this evening. We hope you've enjoyed this as much as we have, and we wish you a happy holiday, and thank you for having your children here tonight.
Raise your hands together, raise your heart and voice. Christmas Day is coming, sing it and rejoice. When we reach to each other, Christmas comes alive. Look around, you will see it. The spirit will arrive, and you can shout. It's the time of the year. Christmas is coming, it's just about here. So shout! It's the time of the year. Christmas is coming, it's just about here. So shout! It's the time of the year. Christmas is coming, it's just about here. So shout! It's the time of the year. Christmas is coming, it's just about here. Christmas is coming, just about here. Christmas is coming. Shout!
Wonderful. Great job. How about a hand for our 4th and 5th grade choir? And our kindergarten classes. And last but not least, Miss Mary Fillingham, our vocal music teacher. We're going to move off the kindergarten, as I said, to the classroom, so we'll get them down there quickly. You can pick your children up there. The choir will be over Miss Fillingham's room. Thank you so much for coming. Have a wonderful holiday season.